Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm trying something new here with a screen recorder app. I don't know if you could hear me or not, but I'm just gonna check out some videos on YouTube. It has a nice meticulous cover. I probably paid half the price, maybe not even that much, but I got this one at least. Wow, that looks kind of scary. I wonder where this is. Looks like an abandoned place.
Look at all this yummy food. These are my Stevie snacks for TikTokers on the move. And those are the sponges for mopping mouths.
Now, you two, I hope you will remember that only one of you can be
A trap to catch animals or people or...
Talk tick tock, my little clock, hanging on the wall, trying not to fall. You are not it. Look, me. No, you. Me? You. Me? I'm the finder.
They probably eat cats. No.
Oh, right, cock finders. Are you ready? Are you steady?
What do you think? Is there going to be people there? Is it going to be haunted? It looks pretty run down. This was basically a TV show that they had on, Brisbane's one Saturday morning, everything like that. They had it, I think, on Toon Disney later on. It's a pretty cool TV show that I used to watch a lot when I was growing up. Was it a crazy cat? Looks like a hoarder or somebody that's a hoarder, or it's an abandoned place. They just heard a noise. I wouldn't want to look at a place like that. I'd be too scared, I think. I'd have to have a lot of people with me to make me feel safe, and somebody that has a gun or something, just in case, anybody tries to rob you or kidnap you, or you never know what kind of people you're going to run into. And I'm so scared of the way the world is nowadays. I feel safe in Canada. I don't want to leave my town. We have a small population, and there's no murder rate around here. Like, nobody gets murdered, barely ever. And there's no robberies very often and stuff. It's pretty safe where I live. There's not many abandoned houses like this around. I never seen an abandoned house before. I never been in one. I just wonder what's going to happen in this video. I searched up creepy videos on the internet, and this is the first one I clicked on. I never watched it before, so someone died there. Wow. Somebody died there, so it's probably haunted.
But we'll never get them back before chime time. Will we? Oh, yes, we will. We can use McCollum's skates. Fantastic idea. Can we borrow your clockwork skates, please, McCollum? Thank you. You wear them, all one of them.
Decomposing body smell. That would take long to get out, that smell. It probably would stick for a long time. Unless you cleaned it. 1936 it said. I would never do that. I would never try to talk to spirits because hear that's opening a door for other spirits to come through, and sometimes they're bad spirits or demonic. You're not ever supposed to try to talk to spirits. I know that. It's one thing you don't do unless you're a professional or someone like me or you. It's not a good thing to try to talk to spirits.
Hang on, Tommy. I'm sure the skates will wind up soon.
I don't hear anything yet. Wonder what's so creepy about this video. What's going to happen? What do you think? It's kind of a long video. I didn't think it would be that long, but I don't hear any noises yet. Something must gonna be happening soon. Because it said this is a creepy video. I'm just waiting for it. It says disturbing content, scary, paranormal, and haunted. Must be house. This is a 31-minute video. I thought this was going to be a bunch of videos mixed together. What's the paranormal activity? I don't see nothing yet. There's like no action. When is the paranormal going to start? I should have picked a better video than this. Let's see what's going to happen. He said he couldn't breathe. It says 2015, 2,100 hours and 15. So that'd be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Around 8 o'clock, I think. 2,000 hours is 8 o'clock. I don't see a lot of action so far. I wonder if there's really going to be anything in this video. I never saw it before. I should have picked Ghost Adventures instead, with Zach Bagans. He has a lot of action in his videos. What did he say? He heard something bizarre in that room? Second time. I heard something there. Something just moved or fell down. Now they're starting to get creeped out. I'd be freaked out if I heard something behind me.
If you're looking for somebody in tip-top condition, look no further.
There's like something just flew through the air. It looked like a hummingbird or a fairy or something. It was glowing. Did you see that? It was an anomaly or... Oh my, I'm not sure. It would look like a hummingbird or a fairy. Like a light flying through the air. I seen it. All I seen was that little hummingbird thing. Not much action. Just, I wonder what that thing was flying. Was it an anomaly or a fairy? See, they never noticed it because they're not watching the video. But when they go back and watch the video, they'll notice. See, something flying. I don't know. That's just a reflection of the light. I'm gonna fast forward. Let's see if anything's gonna happen here. This ain't a very scary video. Let's try something different. There's doorbell cam footage. It's supposed to be creepy. Wow, it looks like a clown. I wonder if it's around Halloween. Somebody off their meds, or someone trying to play a joke, or they're really clown murderer. What do you think? That is creepy. If I seen it outside my door, I think I'd shit my pants. He doesn't knock on the door, he just goes up to it. Wonder what his intentions are. Probably because he noticed the camera. Yeah, I heard there was a bunch of people dressing up as clowns trying to scare people in the United States. I have a doorbell camera and I don't check it very often when it says motion detected, but a lot of the times, middle of the night, it says motion detected, and I look outside and there's nothing there. It's like, what set off the motion? So it kind of freaks me out, but there's not a lot of people where I live. No one comes to my house, so I don't have to worry about people trying to break in my house or rob me. I'm in a safe area, so it freaks me out to watch these videos. Wow. He's just standing there and not moving. What a creep. Looks like a different person. Is that the same person? What the hell are they doing? I can barely hear him. Wow. Well, that's good. What would you do if you live in an apartment building and you saw that on your camera? Someone stalking your apartment. Wouldn't that be freaky? China. Wow, he starts choking her. Oh my god. Wow. That is crazy. He's like murdering her in the fucking thing. She got away. Oh, that's freaky. That's crazy. It's a good thing she got away. I wonder what he did that for. I hope she called the cops right away and that guy got caught or something. Like, imagine that, go in an elevator and the person you're in the elevator with starts strangling you. Oh man, it makes me not ever want to go near an elevator with another person again. Crawling around, it says 4. Wow. Is that a person? Or is that a ghost? What do you think that is, people? Let me know down in the comments. Do you think that's an alien? A person? Like they can crawl awful fast. There's no way that could be a person. And so fast. Maybe it's a jinn. There we go. Yeah, skinwalker. What do you think this is? A skinwalker or a cryptid? Skinwalker. A jinn. Headbanging, it says, number 5. Someone's trying to get in her house. He's trying to bang the door open. He's beating himself up. He's got to be possessed or really drunk. He's possessed or something's controlling him.
Oh God!
Madam, away! Better get the focus.
Yeah, that's why I gotta get me a gun. I don't have a gun. We're not allowed guns in Canada. You have to have a FAC, and we're not allowed having handguns like people in the United States. But I wish I could, because I feel a lot safer. A lot of people act weird, and they do drugs around here, and you gotta watch out for them. But there's a lot of crazy things in the United States, I know that, and China, all over the place. Real hit and run number 6. This is the UK now.
Don't worry, we'll get everyone down. How? I know. We can catch it.
Oh my God. You knocked down the brick wall. How awful is that, man? Like someone stealing your car. He went through a brick wall, man. Look at that. Watch this. What do you think of that? He goes through a brick wall, man. Wow. What a heartless prick. Never leave your car running with your key doors open. This one's number one. Help.
I know. Coming to the festival. Thing is, how are we going to get the dog? Ooh, maybe one of us should try the puppet.
Paranormal things happen in my house a couple times. Like I was sitting at the table eating breakfast and nobody was home. My boyfriend and my other son were gone. It was just my youngest son sleeping in the crib. And a transport truck drove by. It was like 8 o'clock in the morning. And then Kyron's bedroom door and my bedroom door slammed shut at the same time. And I wasn't freaked out or anything. I just ignored it and kept eating my oatmeal. But, yeah, stuff falls all the time. You hear random noises downstairs. Stuff falls down and scares the shit out of me. I had to call my dad to come over one day because something fell and broke in the basement. Wow. Do you believe in spirits? Do you believe in bad entities? Oh, this is a bonus video. We're almost done. June 25th, 2023. See, that's what I seen in that last video. Something floating around like that. What the hell is that? A drone? Wow. It's like an anomaly. Or maybe it's an alien. That's crazy. What do you think of these videos? Would you be scared? Do you believe in the paranormal? Do you own a gun? Are you safe if someone tries to break in your house? Comment below what do you think. Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye. Stop it.
Next time. Bye, Tommy.